ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నొక్కండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, ఆల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. అవర్ ఎర్త్ 9th క్లాస్ ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ సోషల్ స్టడీస్ పార్ట్ 2 బిట్స్. లాంగిట్యూడ్స్ ఆర్ సర్కిల్స్, సెమీసర్కిల్స్, స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్, కర్వ్స్. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ సెమీసర్కిల్స్. Which latitude is called Tropic of Cancer? 0 degree latitude, 23½ south latitude, 23½ degrees north latitude, 66½ degree north latitude. Correct answer 23½ degrees south latitude. 0 degree meridian is called Greenwich meridian, anti-meridian, equator, Tropic of Cancer. Correct answer Greenwich meridian. Movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution, black hole, orbit, rotation. Correct answer revolution. How much time does the earth take to move 1 degree longitude? 24 hours, 1 hour, 4 minutes, 4 hours. Correct answer 4 minutes. 180 degrees meridian is called Greenwich meridian, anti-meridian, UTC, equator. Correct answer anti-meridian. Earth farthest point from the sun is dash kilometers. 152 million kilometers, 125 million kilometers, 174 million kilometers, 147 million kilometers. Correct answer 152 million kilometers. The largest latitude is North Pole, Arctic Circle, Equator, Tropic of Cancer. Correct answer Equator. Human beings arrived on the earth dash years ago. 10 lakh years, 1 lakh year, 1 crore years, 1 billion years. Correct answer 1 lakh years ago. If it is 12 hours at midnight of Sunday at Greenwich, the time in India is 5 hours 30 minutes AM on Monday, 5:30 AM on Sunday, 6:30 PM on Sunday, 6:30 AM on Monday. Correct answer 5:30 AM on Monday. The shape of the orbit is a circular path, an elongated oval path, a scaled oval path, a triangular path. Correct answer a scaled oval path. Which is the topmost layer of the earth? Crust, core, mantle, center. Correct answer crust. The supercontinent is Panthalassa, Pangaea, Tethys, Laurentia. Correct answer Pangaea. The network of latitudes and longitudes is atlas, map, grid, equator. Correct answer grid. Which of the following is not the name of the earth? Prithvi, Angaraka, ధరణి, అవని. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ అంగారక. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద గ్రీక్ వర్డ్ ఎర్త్? గ్రౌండ్, సాయిల్, డ్రై ల్యాండ్, ఆల్ ద అబౌవ్. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఆల్ ద అబౌవ్. The distance to the earth interior is 6000 kilometers, 5000 kilometers, 3000 kilometers, 2000 kilometers. Correct answer 6000 kilometers. Southern India once upon a time was a part of Laurentia, Gondwana, Pangaea, none of the above. Correct answer Gondwana. 180-degree longitude is known as equator, prime meridian, international dateline, none of the above. Correct answer international dateline. The word hemi means the water, the air, the ball, the off. Correct answer the off. The Latin word latitude means the soil, the ball, the width, the length. Correct answer the width. The inland sea that separated the two blocks of supercontinent was Tethys Sea, Pangaea, Indian Ocean, all the above. Correct answer Tethys Sea. The closest point of the earth from the sun on its orbit is dash kilometers. 147 million kilometers, 152 million kilometers, 149 million kilometers, 155 million kilometers. Correct answer 147 million kilometers. The destruction of forests, rivers and hills results in heavy rains, global warming, temperature decrease, none. Correct answer global warming. Earth began to form dash years ago. 4.5 billions, 5.4 billions, 6.4 billion years, 7.5 billion years. Correct answer 4.5 billion years. The crust form only dash percentage of the volume of the earth. 80%, 1%, 16%, 4%. Correct answer 1%. The Latin word longitude means width, circle, length, semicircle. Correct answer length. Half of the earth between the equator and north pole is called southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere, western hemisphere, eastern hemisphere. Correct answer northern hemisphere. The width of the each time zone is dash of longitudes. 30 degrees, 15 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees. Correct answer 15 degrees of longitude. IST means Indian Standard Time, International Standard Time, Indian Standard Time Zone, None. Correct answer, Indian Standard Time. The Latin word meridian means noon, dark, day, midnight. Correct answer, noon. Half of the earth between the equator and the south pole is called northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere. Correct answer, southern hemisphere. The horizontal circle that goes around the earth exactly in the middle at equal distance from the north and the south poles is called Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Equator, Arctic Circle. Correct answer, Equator. The long, shallow inland sea that separated Laurentia and Gondwana was called Tethys Sea, Himalayas, Pangaea, Panthalassa. Correct answer, Tethys Sea. Which of the following was not a part of Gondwana landmass? South America, Australia, Africa, Eurasia. Correct answer, Eurasia. Which of the following is not a part of Angara landmass? North America, Europe, South America, Greenland. Correct answer, South America. 66.5 degree south latitude is called Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. Correct answer, Antarctic Circle. 66.5 degree north latitude is called Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. Correct answer, Arctic Circle.